There have been recent claims that Justin Bieber appeared visibly upset while out in Los Angeles following reports that Selena Gomez was allegedly facing deportation. However, no official confirmation or credible sources support these claims. The controversy began when Selena Gomez shared an emotional reaction to U.S. immigration policies in a tearful video, expressing her concern for immigrants at risk of deportation and stating her wish to help. This led to backlash from certain political figures, including Republican politician Sam Parker, who controversially suggested that Gomez herself should be deported. In response, Gomez took to social media, sarcastically thanking Parker for what she called a laughable threat. While the situation has gained significant attention, there is no verified connection between Bieber's alleged frustration and Gomez's controversy. The two, who had an on-again, off-again relationship in the past, have been living separate lives for years. Bieber is currently focused on his marriage to Hailey Bieber and his personal endeavors. Nonetheless, Justin's seemingly frustrated demeanor has sparked curiosity, with many wondering if it relates to Selena's recent controversy. Stay tuned for more updates on your favorite celebrities.